guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a new wig unboxing. This wig is from Wowangel. I've tried their 1B wigs before and it was bomb. You all even told me they have the best lace ever. So I decided to double back and try their 613 wig. The 11/11 sale is coming up soon, so I know I need to come through with the reviews. But I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored at all or anything like that. We're going to go ahead and get into this video, unbox this wig, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay, so let me read off the specs to you all. So I ordered the 13x4 HD lace. Like, Wowangel actually has some real HD lace wigs. 34 inches, 250% density. So this wig should give you all. If you all remember, I just did a different 613 wig unboxing, and y'all, I was gonna turn that wig ginger because everyone's doing ginger for the fall. I got it right here. The dyeing process just revealed to me that this is not like 100% human hair. So I was like, let me do something else. Like, the color looks good, like this is a good color, but like the frontal dyed a completely different color. It turned red, and then you see still little blonde strands in the hair no matter what. So this is that 613 wig from My Diva Hair. It's a no-go. I'm not working with that. But I got this wig from Wowangel. Super excited to try that. Let's go ahead and open this thing. I'm going to actually dye this one ginger. I want to be Wanda for Halloween and Daphne, so I can look cute with my little time, my little doggy. But let's get this thing open. 250% density. This should be super thick and all that. So here's the box. Wowangel. Let's crack this thing open. Oh, the hair I'm wearing right now is from Yawn Hair. This is that 40-inch wig. I also bought this wig myself. I still really love it. It gives still. Comes with a little goodie bag, wig cap, elastic band, beauty blender, and a clip. But when I do these videos, I don't, like, when I order hair from these companies, I don't tell them, hey, I film YouTube videos, send me good hair. Like, I don't do any of that. Like, I usually just ask, hey, do you all have the 34-inch, 250% density, 13x4 wig in stock? When you do that, you don't have to wait, because sometimes they make you wait for them to make the wig and then ship out your wig. So I always recommend asking if it's actually in stock first. Let me lean back, I'm all in y'all face. But this time I didn't even do that. I just ordered from this company because I trust them. It's Wowangel, like. So here we have the wig. Let's get a look at this lace, 34 inches. So this is a body wave wig. Okay. Oh, this lace, oh goodness. So y'all, I customize my wigs myself. I'm a little heavy-handed, and looking at this lace, this is some real HD lace, y'all. I've messed up wigs before because like this lace is just so delicate. I could tell this is a real good lace. Like this is HD, and it has some weight to it. Like, it's already a 10 out of 10 wig for me. Like, okay, let me get close. I'm glad I'm using my fancy camera so y'all can see. Like, okay, so you see how the lace has these little strands, like it's kind of like ripped a little bit. That's how you know it's HD lace. If it's just straight across, if it's just straight across, it's probably not HD. Well, it's definitely not HD lace. Like, y'all can see how like invisible that looks next to my face. Like, this is some super thin lace. So you definitely have to be careful when you're customizing it. I'll compare it to this wig that I'm not using. So this is more so you're transparent. So you see the difference between holding these two in my face. Like, the lace is completely different. So The lace looks absolutely bomb, and y'all, I know y'all have been searching for it for a minute. This is an actual true 13 by 4. You know, sometimes companies give you like the middle section, just be 4 inches, and then you get 2 inches over to the side. I think this wig is a 13 by 6, but it is like that too, to where you get 2 inches over there to the side. But this one is actually a true 13 by 4. It is giving, y'all. I'm so excited. I don't even know if I wanna, I'm gonna order a second wig like this. I think I want to keep one of them, no shedding. I think I want to keep one blonde, or like tone one to where like it's a really cutesy blonde, and then do my ginger too. I might have to double back, but this is nice. It's super thick too. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So, you know, sometimes it just dip down in the middle, then you get little sides over there. But here, you see, you get all of that parting space. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this wig. Like, now this one is great. This one is fantastic. I am so disappointed in the way that my Diva wig ended up coloring. Like, I'm not sure what happened, but this is nice. We got 34 inches, thickness all the way down. Like, it looks amazing, and it's like really heavy. I will pull out my, I'll go ahead and pull out my measuring tape over here and get the measurement on here. But y'all can see this lace is so fine. I love this. I'm gonna try every single texture from Wowangel this 11/11 sale, cause honey, they are really giving. So I'm gonna, like, the hair is so soft. I love them, I love them. So I'm gonna put the measuring tape right here, cause they really don't measure from the last strand like I think makes the most sense. But holding the measuring tape up here, the wig falls at 30. It's like, how long is that? That's like 32, 33 without me stretching it. So when I actually stretch it, it goes to 36. So you see, when I'm actually stretching it, it's 36. So the hair is definitely true to length, actually a little beyond true to length. So that is just fantastic. This lace is just giving. I'm so excited to play with this. Like, this is gonna be fun. I need to order a few more of these because there's so many colors I want to try, and this just may be the perfect 613 wig. It just may be the best 613 wig ever. I gotta dye it and see, but I'm excited to do my little ginger look, see like what it gives. Like, this is a lot of hair, y'all see? This is a lot of hair, and it looks so good. Like, that is so beautiful. I am so excited. It has combs on the inside. I tried their wigs before, so if you all are wondering, it's definitely big head friendly. I have a big head, so any wig I recommend on my channel is big head friendly. If I can put it on my head, it's definitely big head friendly. But I am ecstatic, absolutely ecstatic. Let me see if I can tell you how long it took to come. It definitely didn't take like more than 2 weeks. Let's see. So, okay, so it took a week to come, which is super good. 34 inches, not a terrible price. It is a 613 wig. Let me tell y'all what price it was. So mine was $484. But with the 11/11 sale, of course, you can use coupons and stuff if you get it then. And I mean, it's coupons you can use almost any time on Aliexpress. So it's just giving. I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to play with this. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.